Yes, hello student. In last lecture we discussed the difference between virus and worm. Basically, the intention of both is to infect the PC, but the viruses require any supporting file to install on the system rather than worm doesn't require any file or any system for creating their replica. Now, types of viruses. There are different types of viruses which are boot sector viruses, program virus, multi-partitive virus, stealth virus, polymorphic, and microviruses. We are going to discuss this one by one. That is boot sector virus. It infects the storage media on which operating system is stored and which is used to start the computer system. Yes, exactly. Boot sector, as its name suggests, what it will impact. It will impact the operating system where the operating system is stored. Program viruses that are active when program file is executed, that is exe file .drv .bin file system file whenever are executed, at that time these files are executed. Multi-partitive virus, it is also called as hybrid of boot sector and program virus. So what it perform, it infect the program file along with the boot record when the infected program is active. So what it will perform, it will perform or infect the program virus, in particular exe file, with their boot sector. Stealth virus, it what it perform, it can disguise itself such a way that antivirus software also cannot detect it, thereby preventing the spreading into the computer system. Stealth virus masks itself, antivirus software cannot detect it, alter its file system and hide the computer memory to remain the system undetected. The first computer virus, that is named as brain. Polymorphic viruses, it's like chameleon that changes its virus signature, that is according to the surrounding, it will change the definition or what we can say the binary pattern every time it spread through the system. The polymorphic generators are routines that can be linked with the existing virus. The generators are not viruses but purpose to hide the actual virus under the cloak of a polymorphism. Microvirus, many applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, these micro are programmed as a micro embedded in a document. Once a microvirus is get into the victim computer, then every document detail which is to be forwarded just like as a keylogger to the hacker. ActiveS and Java control. All the web browser have setting about the ActiveX and Java control. Little awareness is needed about the managing and controlling this setting of a web browser. So, such as enabling or disabling pop-ups, downloading files and sound, which invite the threat for the computer system being targeted by the unwanted software and the cyberspace. So, these are the things which are related to the viruses and types of a virus. Next, we will discuss Trojan horse.